Well, today it arrived.
So I really don't want one of those cookie cutter kind of designs. I get that. That's why
It's finally here. I was so excited when they come out with this. Before they even finished their announcement, I was online ordering it. I'm looking forward. I have the original MAVIC Pro. This is going to be exciting. This is the MAVIC 2 Pro. They also put out the MAVIC 2 Zoom, but this one looked more appealing to me. So let's unbox this and let's get her charged up. We ordered the MAVIC 2 Pro. We ordered some extra propellers. I know there's probably extra propellers in there, but just in case, you never know. And I decided that 2 batteries are better than 1. Here it is. Wow. Wow. There's the controller.
This channel loves this baby, and if she's a good influence on his upbringing, that would be great. I don't know about your other children, this channel. Are they okay? Your children, are they okay? Is this the only grandchild that you have that is in trouble? No, man. Don't talk about them. Then the family court judge is going to have to make them some serious decisions about whether or not being in your environment is a good thing for a baby or not. I don't know that. But I don't believe that you gave her $1,000.
Pretty much looks like the original.
Is he out of jail now or in jail?
I know some people were saying it seems a little bit bigger. I guess the original MAVIC was like 750 grams. I think this one is like 950 grams. Looks very similar. Okay. Let's take her out of here. Okay. Here's another box. I'm not sure what's in this box here. Okay, it looks like we have extra sticks. Not sure what that might be. Okay, this looks like a USB cable. I'm assuming this is probably the charger, and it is. We definitely want to get that out, get the battery charging. This looks like the power cord for the charger. There's the charger. Lots of cardboard. Lots of cardboard.
Right now, there's even more reason to love the 2018 Tiguan.
Okay, what else is in the box? Okay, this looks like it may be our instruction manual. Some booklets and some extra propellers. Oh, that's great. These are all the, probably the propellers to put on. And these are probably the extra propellers. And yeah, all the literature. This is really cool. This is really cool. Okay, so we're going to leave all this stuff for now. We've opened up everything that's in the box. And we're going to charge this baby up. There's the Hasselblad. Hasselblad camera. She looks pretty nice.
She's my sister. How old are you? 18. How old are you? 20. How old are you? 20. Who do you live with? My mother.
Pasta needs 15 minutes to rest.
My father.
Who do you live with?
My mother. Oh, my other sister.
Gracie.
$1,500 cash back.
Took out $300 and I gave it to her.
But they have included another small piece. This piece here, which is a regular micro USB. This micro USB would plug into the controller, and then the USB-C would plug into this item, and then the other end is a regular USB, and this would plug into the power pack.
Which is $173.
So we'll just pull out this cord here, and we'll stick this in.
687.
577.
577.
577.
So what do you do? What else?
My little brother had messenger and she had threatened to hurt my little brother. She said she's going to end up getting hurt and threatened me that I got pregnant by some of her sisters.
So now we've managed to put this small piece in here, as you can see. And what we'll do is we will plug this into the end of that.
Vicky Ditchler is suing motorist 20-year-old Leslie Hernandez.
Okay, there. We now have a connection. Okay, now we will stick this on the charger. Okay, so now
Try not to embarrass yourself.
now we have the controller all connected here. And the controller is plugged into the power pack. And there it is on the power pack.
Anchorage, Alaska.
Okay. And here we have the battery. The battery is now charging.
Wake up your senses with Tim Hortons' new maple waffle breakfast sandwich. Fluffy waffles made with real maple syrup, egg, savory sausage, and cheese. Get the maple waffle breakfast sandwich. We're trying to give chicken maple waffle today. It's all good at Tim Hortons.
Another truckload of Toyotas. What a sight.
Yeah, during Toyota's national clearance event, we've got the last of the 2018s. And super low APR financing.
Maybe that's why they go so fast.
Okay, that's gotta be a record.
Right now, we send new 2018 RAV4 with all-wheel drive for just $169 a month, or get $1,500 cash back on it.
She's amazingly stable. Okay, up under here is where we have the SD card. There's a lot of sensors all the way around it. And this side panel over here, I noticed this time around, it's no longer micro USB, it's USB-C.